is an important aspect of germplasm conservation. Here we present a virtual site scene of buffalo semen cryopreservation. The steps involved in cryopreservation: the bull selection, extender preparation, AV preparation, semen collection and its evaluation, semen dilution, equilibration, straw printing, filling and sealing, freezing of the semen, post-thaw evaluation and final quality assessment. For collection of semen, bulls should be selected on the basis of following criteria. Most importantly, it should be son of progeny tested sire and or elite dam. It should have true to breed characteristics. It should exhibit breeding soundness and semen freezability, and it must be free from diseases as shown in the table. First of all, extender needs to be prepared. For this, the tris buffer is prepared as per the composition mentioned in the table, and it is sterilized by autoclaving. Then it is mixed with prepared egg yolk, to which finally glycerol is added. For the preparation of egg yolk, egg is cleaned with water and wiped with 70% ethanol solution. The eggshell is broken at the narrow end with the help of sterilized forceps, and albumin portion, which is white in color, is removed. The yellow part, that is the yolk of egg, is gently placed on a filter paper. The egg yolk is gently rolled over the filter paper to remove the remaining albumin. Then the yolk membrane is punctured with a sterilized needle, and the liquid yolk is collected in a sterilized graduated cylinder. Earlier prepared tris buffer and egg yolk are mixed in 4:1 ratio, to which 6.4% glycerol is further added. The extender should be prepared one day before collection of semen is to be performed. For semen collection, an AV is assembled using following components. The components are heavy rubber cylinder, inner rubber liner, latex cone. For assembly of AV, pass an inner rubber liner through the cylinder. Tightly fold the liner over the both ends of hard rubber cylinder. Place a latex cone over the end of the AV nearer to wall. Pour enough warm water through the hole to provide 42 to 45 degrees Celsius temperature, and the required pressure is achieved by pumping air. The assembled AVs are placed in incubator at 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. On the day of collection, fix a warm, that is at 35 degrees Celsius, glass graduated collection tube to the other end of the cone. Cover the cone and collection tube. Before semen collection, the animals should be washed and cleaned properly. The bull aprons should be put in place to avoid contamination from hindquarter of the dummy. In order to achieve better ejaculation, allow 2-3 false mounts. When the bull mounts, the penis is quickly guided into the AV for semen collection. After collection, the AV should be kept in an upright position. Pass the tube to the laboratory for semen processing and cryopreservation. In the laboratory, the collected semen should be kept at 30 to 32 degrees Celsius under aseptic conditions till evaluation. For evaluation, volume is an important criteria. Volume can vary depending upon individual, age, season and frequency. It may range between 1 to 5 ml per ejaculate. Another important criteria is color and consistency. Color depends upon concentration of sperms. Where a high sperm concentration gives thick creamy appearance to the semen and the low concentration gives watery appearance to the semen. Semen up to milky color is suitable for cryopreservation. Another important criteria for semen evaluation is mass motility, for which a drop of semen is placed on the slide and it is observed under microscope at 10x magnification. The ejaculates are graded on the basis of wave and eddies intensity at numerical scale of 0 to 5. It is illustrated in the table here. Concentration also plays an important role to select good ejaculates. Concentration is the number of sperms per ml. It is measured by spectrophotometer. If concentration is lower than 500 million per ml, that ejaculate must not be processed for cryopreservation. After semen evaluation, semen is diluted with an equal quantity of diluents. As soon as final volume of diluted semen is calculated, the remainder of the diluents is added to pre-diluted semen so that each straw should contain 20 million spermatozoa. After dilution, the individual motility is assessed by placing a drop of diluted semen on the warmed slide under phase contrast microscope at 20x magnification. The semen is classified according to the percentage motile sperm in the ejaculates as shown in the table. After analysis of motility parameters, the semen needs to be equilibrated. The container containing the diluted semen should be kept in large beaker having water at 32 degrees Celsius and placed in cold cabinet for 4 to 5 hours. During this process, slow cooling and presence of egg yolk prevents the sperm from cold shock. Before filling of semen in straws, it should be printed for identification and record keeping of semen straws. Print name, bull number, breed, name of semen bank and date of semen collection. This can be done using automated straw printing machine for printing. Straws should be sterilized in ultraviolet ray before filling of semen. After printing, filling and sealing of straws are done in cold cabinet at 4 degrees Celsius during the equilibration process. It should be done by automatic filling and sealing machine. Once filling and sealing is over, the straws are carefully spread over freezing rack in a cold cabinet. For freezing of semen, two methods are generally used. First is static vapor freezing. Computerized programmable biofreezer, the temperature is reached to minus 140 degrees Celsius in 7 minutes. Immediately all straws are removed from the freezer and flung into liquid nitrogen can. Again semen is evaluated after 24 hours of freezing. For this, the semen is thawed at 37 to 38 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds. The samples having more than 50% progressive motility are selected and those having less than 50% motility are rejected. Computer-assisted semen analyzer, which is also known as CASA, plays a very important role in objective assessment of semen parameters. It is shown in a video clip here. Apart from routine semen evaluation methods, following advanced methods can also be used for semen analysis in research. Acrosomal integrity can be assessed by lectin FITC assay. In this method, the acrosomal cap of insect sperm takes up the fluorescent dye and it fluoresces green at acrosomal region. For analysis of DNA integrity, tunnel assay can be used. In this method, the sperm carrying the fragmented DNA fluoresces green. The plasma membrane integrity is assessed by annexin 5 PI assay. The results are as shown in the figure. This e-lesson has been compiled, edited and designed by a team of scientists of CIRB Hisar. Thank you.